Alright, so we're here at the Wild M. Ben came up here this morning from the zoo. Shot a nice tom right down here in the house plot. Right on a little blind right there. Shot him in the woods there to the right. I drove up to share in the experience as much as I could. Nice bird, Ben.
Thanks.
It's got a nice big 10.5 inch beard. Nice big 1 inch, maybe a little more than an inch spurs. Mature tom, 3 or 4 years old. What you want?
Yep.
Then we're gonna go press them out. Have some turkey this weekend. All right, let's hit it.
I won't be able to hunt until
Here, I'll carry
next
that.
Monday. I got it.
Right.